Welcome to the Boat Show. I'm Bill Hackett, and today we're coming to you from Chris Craft out of Sarasota, Florida. This is a beautiful boat we're standing on. Guess what? It's a brand new 31 Catalina. Let me show you around this boat, and we'll start in the back end. This beautiful boat has a length overall of 33 feet 9 inches. Amazing. It's got a 10-2 beam. And here might be the best part of this boat. You can get it into skinny water because it's only got 2 feet 10 inches of draft with the motors down. How fantastic is that? On top of it, it's pushed by twin Mercury 300s, and actually the accent painting is beautiful and on point. Chris Craft, a luxury brand that everybody knows, but the latest technology is built all over this boat. Here in the back end, it comes equipped with Seakeeper Ride, so while you're underway, it's automatically stable for a safe and comfortable ride. So we have a starboard side boarding door to gain access to the boat, or maybe you want to bring a fresh catch in, because this one is actually equipped to fish. In the aft end, we have freshwater sink, and we also have a live well in the leaning post area. And then we have 2 flip-up, flip-down seats. One in the aft end and then one on the port side. Chris Craft, synonymous with quality built. Honestly, it's the materials that go together so well here. If you go to the factory, they have a room where you can pick out all your materials and colors for any craft along the line. Phenomenal teak. The wood polish out here is incredible. The accents, the woodwork, the metalwork is really exceptional, and you really need to step on board one of these Catalinas or across the brand to see the refinements. Here at the helm, we have an oversized hardtop with a matching gel coat underneath. Beautiful. And another beautiful thing is the wood accents on the helm chairs on the back end. Absolutely eye-popping. So, safety, we have glass on 3 sides. We also have shade to protect you from the sun. And then let's talk about the upholstery here. It's absolutely supple, gorgeous. The materials, like I said, the materials on this boat are phenomenal. We have a twin Garmin array. We also have our Mercury controls. We have duplicate switching, and we also have a joystick. So if you need to ease it in and out of the dock, you can. And again, the trim work around the dash, impeccable. This boat is yacht certified, so bring your friends and their friends too. Inductive phone chargers up here in the bow as well at the helm. We got our speakers up here, and I love the grill covers on the speakers because it's absolutely eye-popping chrome accents, beautiful woodwork, and then check out this lounger right here. Gorgeous. We have a U-shaped seat up front. This boat, hey, you're ready to take it with the kids, the grandkids, and do it in style. Remember the Chris Craft background, the old wooden boats, right? Right here up front. Check out teak up here on the bow, tow rail all over this vessel. Beautiful teak. Form follows function. Beauty abounds all over this boat. Check out the hardtop, the front scoop, again with those speakers coming out and forward. Absolutely gorgeous. And then on the practical side, we have a lot of storage on this boat. Below the U-shaped seating in the bow, all over this boat, you have plenty of storage space. You have plenty of places to be safe. Really is a well thought out, beautiful vessel. If you've had a great day on this 31 out on the sandbar, you can actually spend the night. Step down below, do it with the same creature comforts you have at your own home. What you need to do is you need to step aboard a Chris Craft. You need to see the refinements, check out the superior materials that they use, because it really is a game-changing boat with classic Chris Craft style. So go take her for a sea trial and see what she's all about.